Home life at Dreams for Jian and Wooey. All this land. This is what they have to wheel around on if they can wheel around on their wheels. There's Billy Boy and little Louie, our goats. And there's a couple of the big dogs roaming around. And Wooey's in his stationary spot. And Jia's getting around. Jia! And this is outside life for the kids. Till we can get them some wheels. Jia's doing pretty good. You're trying to get to me for some loving, huh, Jia? You're trying to get to me for some loving, huh, Jia? Hi, Jia. You hear that pig over there? You gotta leave the pig alone, Jia. Look how well she goes. And we're kind of like on a, I don't know if you can tell, but we're kind of like on an angle. Coming down from the mountain on an angle. And she's getting up and down the little hill fine. And Wooey, the little cutie, he's just sitting here. He's just sitting here, huh, little cutie? Hello, baby. And there's our piggy with the goats. It's okay, Wooey. You ever seen a goat before, Wooey? Here comes Holly. Holly wants to share the blanket. You're okay, Jia. Holly won't mess with you. You're okay. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, baby. Protect you. I'll protect you. I'll protect you, baby. Want to get up here with Wooey? Want to get up on the blanket with Wooey? Come on, we share the blanket. Let's share the blanket, baby. Come on. It's okay, Jia. Come on. Well, Jia is doing fine with the farm animals. And the big dogs, too. Here's old Maisie. Shug's down there on the other side of Louie. And Jia and Wooey is doing fine outside. We haven't brought the little kids out because I don't want to overwhelm the new kids. And having a bunch of little ones jump on you can be overwhelming when you're new to a situation. Wooey, you like the smells? You like the smells? And Jia likes to be right here by me, huh? You like to do your business and then come right by Mama's, huh? It's a good girl. It's a good girl. Yes, you are. Break time for the kids. Happy boy, little Wooey.